Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day and welcome back to Whiteboard Invest Crypto News. Let's dive straight into today's top stories shaping the cryptocurrency landscape. First up, Bitcoin's recent price volatility has caught the attention of investors worldwide. Next, we'll explore how stocks like Nvidia, Ferrari, Planet Fitness, Cinemark, and others are making significant moves ahead of the market opening. And analysts are discussing whether Bitcoin's formation of a double-top pattern indicates a potential drop to $50,000. Meanwhile, Dell founder Michael Dell's recent expression of interest in Bitcoin has sparked intrigue among tech and crypto enthusiasts. Moving on, a betting scandal within the UK's ruling Conservative Party is causing controversy ahead of the upcoming election. Also, the cryptocurrency Dogwifhat has fallen out of the top 50, experiencing a substantial 38% decline in the past week. Lastly, there's news that the Mt. Gox trustee plans to initiate repayments in Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash starting this July. All right, dive in the details right now. Today's Bitcoin price of $61,200 represents a significant drop from the range of $63,000, $64,000 seen just yesterday. This sharp decline suggests a considerable sell-off and raises concerns about the potential for Bitcoin to dip further, possibly towards the $50,000 mark. The current market sentiment appears bearish, likely influenced by a variety of factors including regulatory uncertainties and profit-taking after recent highs. Investors are cautious amidst this volatility, reassessing their positions and strategies. Looking ahead, if Bitcoin fails to stabilize above key support levels around $60,000, we might indeed see a further downturn. However, it's essential to consider market dynamics such as institutional interest and macroeconomic factors, which could sway sentiment positively or negatively. As always, in the cryptocurrency market, volatility is expected, and prudent investors should maintain a diversified portfolio and stay informed about developments that could impact prices. The next few days will be critical to observe whether Bitcoin consolidates or continues its downward trend. Let's break down some pre-market stock moves and see what they mean for us in the crypto world. ResMed dropped 11.8% after Eli Lilly's weight loss drug showed promise, causing Lilly's stock to rise 1%. A freight stock surged 12.7% after buying Coyote Logistics from UPS, while UPS stayed flat. Nvidia slipped 1.8%, continuing last week's decline, but Jefferies still sees a 19% upside. The HVAC stock climbed 2.3% after a city upgrade, signaling strong future potential. Ferrari's shares rose 1.6% on their electric vehicle plans and new factory unveiling. Planet Fitness jumped 3.1% as TD Cowen named it a top pick, citing it as an early turnaround play. A buy now, pay later stock rose 3.2% after Goldman Sachs' buy rating, highlighting its leadership in modern credit. A brewing company gained nearly 3% after UBS saw growth potential. IBM moved up 1.4% with positive AI-driven growth projections from Goldman Sachs. Lastly, Cinemark popped 3.3% after a box office boost and an upgrade from Roth MKM. These movements show the impact of innovation, strategic growth, and new tech on market reactions. Today, let's talk about some important insights on Bitcoin's recent price action and what it might mean for the market. First off, Bitcoin has formed a double-top pattern, a bearish indicator. This pattern usually signals a potential decline, and many analysts predict that Bitcoin could drop to around $50,000, maybe even $45,000. Marcus Thielen from 10x Research points out that Bitcoin is continuously testing support levels, reinforcing this bearish outlook. Currently, Bitcoin is down to $62,000, and Ethereum is at $3,300, pulling other altcoins down too. This shows the market is under strong selling pressure. The double-top pattern means buyers tried to push prices higher but failed twice, leading sellers to step in and break the previous support levels. This shift typically marks the end of an uptrend and the start of a downtrend. Adding to this, we've seen significant outflows from Bitcoin spot ETFs since June 11th, breaking a 19-day inflow streak. The outflows peaked on June 14th, causing Bitcoin to drop to $67,000, highlighting a bearish sentiment in the market. In summary, both technical and fundamental analyses are signaling a potential further decline in Bitcoin's price. It's crucial to stay updated and watch how these patterns develop.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Your support means the world to me and keeps me motivated to bring you the hottest news updates every day.
Let's talk about an exciting development in the crypto world. Michael Dell, the founder of Dell Technologies, has recently shown interest in Bitcoin. He posted about Bitcoin's limited supply on social media, which caught a lot of attention. Michael Saylor, a big Bitcoin advocate, even joined the conversation, highlighting Bitcoin's value as digital scarcity. Dell didn't stop there. He shared a playful image of Cookie Monster eating Bitcoin, sparking speculation that he might invest in it. This is a big deal because Dell has over $34.6 billion in short-term assets, including $5.83 billion in cash, which gives him plenty of capital to dive into Bitcoin. Given the rising U.S. debt and concerns over the dollar's future value, Dell's interest in Bitcoin could be a smart move to hedge against economic uncertainty. It's fascinating to see such a prominent figure in tech showing interest in crypto. Big news out of Britain: there's a major scandal rocking the Conservative Party. Senior officials, including some close to Prime Minister Rishi Sunak, are being investigated for allegedly using inside information to bet on the general election date. This all started when 5 people, including Nick Mason, the party's chief data officer, and MP Craig Williams, were accused of placing bets before the election date was officially announced. The accusations have drawn a lot of attention and criticism. Sunak has promised that anyone found guilty will face severe consequences. Meanwhile, Labour leader Keir Starmer has been vocal about his disapproval, criticizing Sunak for not suspending the accused immediately. This scandal is being compared to the infamous Partygate during the COVID-19 pandemic and is causing quite a stir. The Gambling Commission is investigating, and there are calls for full transparency to address public concerns. This situation highlights serious issues of ethics and integrity within the party, and it's definitely something to keep an eye on as the investigation unfolds. Stay tuned for more updates. Let's dive into the latest in the crypto world, specifically about Dogwifhat, WWF. This Solana memecoin has taken a major hit, falling out of the top 50 cryptocurrencies by market cap after a massive 38% drop in the past week. On June 23rd, Dogwifhat's market cap fell 9% in just 12 hours, down to $1.60 billion. This decline allowed Phantom to overtake its position, rising to a market cap of $1.65 billion. Despite some talk about Dogwifhat being in an accumulation zone, crypto trader Blockgraze noted there's no real sign of accumulation happening right now. Even with this drop, Dogwifhat remains the 4th largest memecoin by market cap, though it's far behind Pepe, which has nearly 3 times the market cap at $457 billion. Currently, Dogwifhat is trading at 162s. This significant decline is certainly something to keep an eye on, especially for those interested in memecoins. Last but not least, big news in the crypto world. After more than a decade of waiting, users affected by the Mt. Gox exchange debacle might finally see some restitution. Mt. Gox, which famously lost 850,000 Bitcoin back in 2014, is starting repayments to its defunct users from July 2024. This development comes as a relief to approximately 127,000 creditors who are owed over $9.4 billion worth of Bitcoin. The repayment process will involve both Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, with the trustee of Mt. Gox outlining a careful approach based on exchange readiness. It's been a long journey for these users, enduring years of uncertainty following the exchange's collapse due to hacking incidents. The trustee has called for patience as repayments will proceed in stages, dependent on each cryptocurrency exchange's completion of necessary procedures. This restitution is not only a significant milestone for those directly affected, but also a reminder of the challenges and risks within the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Stay tuned for further updates on this unfolding story.
All right, that's hottest news today. If you guys did find this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe our channel for more free content. Thanks for watching. Peace out.